In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your ChatGPT account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. If you've found yourself locked out, or perhaps you've been suspended from using your account, or maybe you're just having trouble getting back in, don't worry. The process to reactivate your account is pretty straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step carefully to get you back up and running as quickly as possible. First, let's start with the basics. The very first thing you should do is try logging in again. Make sure to open your browser or the ChatGPT app and enter your email address and password associated with your account. Sometimes, a simple typo is all it takes to stumble over your access. You'd be surprised how often the issue is just a wrong password or maybe a momentary glitch with the service. So, take a moment to ensure you're entering the correct information before moving on. If you manage to log in successfully, congratulations! Your account may already be active again. However, if you still can't access it, don't panic. There are a few more steps we can take. Next, head over to your email inbox. Look for any messages from OpenAI. They might have sent you an email regarding a warning, suspension, or even an account review. It's important to search your inbox thoroughly. Also, do yourself a favor and check your spam, promotions, or junk folders, just in case the email ended up filtered there. If you do find a message from them, read it carefully. These emails usually come with instructions that might help you unlock your account. Make sure to follow those instructions exactly as they're laid out, as this is often the quickest way to resolve any issues. Now, if you checked your email and didn't find anything, or if the instructions didn't resolve the problem, don't worry, we have some options left. The next step is to contact OpenAI support directly. This can feel a little daunting, but it's actually quite simple. Return to the ChatGPT website or app and look for a help icon or option. Click on that, and it will take you into the Help Center. Once you're inside the Help Center, you should see a chat option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Give that chat icon a click to start your support conversation. When the chat window opens up, take a moment to type out your issue clearly and briefly. It's crucial to explain that you need help reactivating your ChatGPT account. If you know why your account was limited, share that information too. The support system may then ask for the email address linked to your account. Make sure that you fill this in carefully, ensuring it matches the account you need assistance with. Once you have submitted your request, all that's left to do is wait for a response from the support team. Keep in mind that response times can vary, and it may take a little while depending on the specifics of your situation, so be patient. And there you have it. Those are the main steps to reactivate your ChatGPT account. To recap, start by attempting to log in again. If that doesn't work, check for any emails from OpenAI, and if necessary, reach out to support through their Help Center chat. If this tutorial has helped you out, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and useful guides like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you the best of luck in getting your account back up and running.